Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're gonna look at Ticpod 2. It is around £100. I'll leave the link below for Amazon if you guys are interested in one of these. It's coming with three different colors. You have navy, you have ice, and blossom. Basically blue, pink, and white. Features wise, it's going to be a Bluetooth 5.0, IP4, dust and water resistant. It's come with the quad-core apx-C, so 4 hours of batteries on the earbuds, and you have 2 full charge on the case, and total hours of 23 hours of battery. Quick charge, 5 minutes of charge. You have 1 hour of playtime and clear phone call, and it's come with the touch control. So you have touch control, dual mic, noise cancellation, quick pairing, quad-core aptX, and 23 hours of playback, voice assistant. So you have Google and Siri's, Bluetooth 5.0, pocket size. The app is available for Apple and Android if you want to download the app and you want to have more control on your audio. So let's unbox this. Actually, I unboxed this before and my mic some reason cut out, so I'm re-recording it. So first of all, you get the quick starter guide, AI interactive earbuds, and so must read before turning on your device. First, you can charge them with the USB-A to USB-C, but you can't charge it with the USB-C to USB-C. How the pairing works and how to connect it to your Bluetooth, multi-mode control, so voice assistant, and how moving your head able to answer phone call and reject phone call, touch control and voice assistant, move your head twice, pick up a phone call, and that's pretty much it. So let's give it a try. So this is your detailed user manual and a warranty together. Put that aside. You have USB-A to USB-C charger. Don't try to use the USB-C to USB-C. It will actually damage the earbuds in long term. You have USB-C power intake, light headphone, and a very small pairing with the headphone in the price range where you have the Anker, you have JBL, Sennheiser, Sony, Beats. On that price range is very small and very light. You have right and left, and you have the power button to see how much charge you have. Let me connect to the earbuds. So now we're going to give it a try to the audio and see how the audio works and is it loud. So audio wise is quite clear, no delays, no distortion. And let's skip to the next song. Audio wise is quite good, no delays, no distortion. Now we're gonna go to YouTube. This is a series I normally watch. So when you take out of the ears, this automatically pause the song, pause whatever you are watching or listening to. So you have to click on here to use the one earbuds alone. So you can give it a try. So there is no delays or there is no distortion.
I can't sleep, and it can't be the coffee because all I drink here is decaf, right? Of course.
No distortion, no delays. I can use right while the left one on in charge, and I can use left while the right one on in charge. So there is no master and slave. You can use both of the headphones individually. So just to make sure the volume is on full. When you take that out of your ears, it's automatically post the song. And when you download the Ticpod apps, you can control quite a lot. So first of all, you do get translation. So if you go to the equalizer wise, you have few more stuff. So when you go to the Ticpod app, you have few more choice. You can go to the equalizer where on the first, it will show you the battery lives. and you get a translator as well. So if you want to use the translator, you can. Then you go to the earbuds. So you go to the earbuds you are connected to. First, you have the option to change to the audio quality, where 8p-TX, so HD audio, you can turn them on or you can turn them off. And double click. So at the moment is preset to next. You can do previous, or you can do play or pause. And also you get a few different, it's actually showing you what things you can do on the touchpads. And if you go to the equalizer, you have standard, classic, rock, heavy metal, and you have a hip hop, jazz, pop, bass, and mega bass. You can change them, depends your liking. And also you have a beam set, which means how your earbuds gonna react. So when you're connected to it, it will give you a beam saying it is connected, or if a battery is low, it will give you a beam to let you know the beam, let you know you're under 10% charge. Double click or double tap on the earbuds for the next or previous songs you want to play, and you can feel the bass change. You can actually feel the difference on the bass, where it have a very deep bass without compromising the audio quality, where if you have the full volume or the low volume, it still offers you the best audio. So you're not compromising the audio quality, so sounds really good. Definitely the earfits, very light, so I barely even notice I actually have earbuds in. Definitely a very light earbuds. So now we're gonna go through, is it good or bad? So when you have the silicone earbuds, they definitely help you with the noise isolation. These wouldn't have the greatest noise isolation, but it does offer you good noise isolation. Second is the case. It's a very light, very small. It's quite good to just keep it in your pocket. It feels like just having a car key in your pocket. It's very light, very small, offers you 23 hours of battery. Only thing I was a little bit disappointed that is not wireless charging. I wouldn't say that would be a deal breaker, but it's still one of the things to consider. When you come to audio, there is no delays. I listen to songs, watch movies, listen to videos. No delays, no distortion. Watching YouTube videos, they will have one of the best audio in my opinion, and you will have the best experience. When you come to comfort, they are very light, very comfortable in your ears. Do I recommend these? I would say yes. The reason being purely on the audio quality. Second is on the earfit. It's very comfortable, very light for sports. I think it will be a really good headphone where you can run, you can do you can do active sports. They will be in your ears, they wouldn't have any problem, and you will enjoy one of the best audio in my opinion. So if you guys are interested in one of these, I'll leave the link below. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, leave the comments below. See you on the next video.